is my to-do list. Is it loud? Guess not. Okay. So I was fixing a few different things. I haven't gotten currently unreplicated. I don't know. Now, is everything set up correctly this time? Is that what this is? Weird. Okay. So that, yeah, okay, it shows up. So last time, I don't think a lot of things were showing up. Okay. Bullets hitting ground. Some of this is actually happening. High score goes up of unknown cause. Okay, I know where to look. Player death as no animation, doesn't reset the level. Can cause null pointer, etc. Let's see if the null pointer is there still. What I need to do is start on the actual, or I'll just go into the sandbox and drop in a cruiser here. There we go. What's happening? Oh, I landed on a platform. What is happening? Is that thing hitting this? Oh man. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. Who's asking for this? Oh, power program. Okay, so if there's no player, he definitely doesn't know what to do. Maybe I should blow him up. It's not a bad idea. Yeah, I'll just blow him up. Go ahead and say blow up explosion. Okay, and then oh, wait a minute. So many features I don't care about. Visual Studio, just me complaining about Visual Studio. Alright. And if player happens to be null, blow up. Really? Blow up. And don't do anything else. Okay, so at least if I have the robot, that won't break anymore. Let's give the robot, both robots. An explosion. Hey, he died. Ah, shit, the laser beam stayed. Where is that? Is that in the gun? The gun controls the laser beam. Man, all these bullets. All these enemies spawning and just flying forever. Backwards. Oh man, that's gonna keep growing. That's weird. What the hell's a damn laser beam? Is this it? No. This is it. Yeah, that's the one. It was created by the gun, pretty sure. So, I'm gonna go into gun. Doesn't exist. Right, it has this laser thing. I can easily do. Put this at the end. On destroy. If laser is not equal null. Is laser outline a separate game object? I feel like that might not have been necessary. Can I make laser out just a child of the laser? And then I don't have to update the stupid laser out position. Do that, and then I don't have to update the position here either. Destroy laser out. Destroy laser out. Okay, that was everything. So now again, if laser destroy. That should take care of that. For one thing. There were other things, for sure. Jump the fuck out of the ship, okay. Oh, now where's the damn laser outline? Oh, I do need to update laser line positions, I guess, yeah. So that's laser outline. There. That I needed to do. Alright. Laser's good. And where was this again? This is now the birds. If the birds... They have to check if there's a player. Alright, so... Player is this. If player birds can react to explosions. Interesting. Let's say that, put that in the maybe pile. Kind of a classic thing where, like, in shooters, like, no matter what you shoot, it has an explosion, whether it's like a frog or get shot to hell. Who else is referencing the damn player? The cruiser itself. If not player inside. If the player doesn't exist, I don't have to do anything. Player.current mover. This one's tricky. Okay. I can do that for now. But I feel like that's not going to be good. Let's see who else depends on me. Nobody. And again, these guys are moving backwards. This is just bizarre. Let me get rid of these enemy ships here. Just making everything way too crazy. Shit. It's just that after I die, everybody flies in reverse. It's kind of cool having this thing here. Is that laser beam not doing anything? Oh, because it only has one raycast. It's pretty damn good though. Man, he runs so fast. Why is he stuck? Oh, because he was in an animation. Why did 3 of those guys spawn at the same time? Oh, they're not spawning, I'm just not killing them. It's way too many. There we go. Racking up points though. Great. Shit. Sadness. And now they spawn flying backwards. Cool. They should probably stop spawning. What causes that? Is it something on the carrier? Sorry, the cruiser. That's like an enemy spawner. Does have an enemy spawner. So, does that care about the player at all? Player, no. Mini boss. So just keep spawning enemies, no matter what. Doing lots of cleanup here. So enemies will cease to spawn once I'm dead. Shit. What's up with this camera? It's doing some weird things. If I shoot at just the right interval, the camera shake just goes all. Have to fix that, I guess. What is that? Oh. It's those damn things. Oh, man. Let's see how screwed up I can make the camera. Why is it doing that? What's causing the position to get so bad? Just the offset is getting worse? Where the hell's my ship? Did it blow up? Am I stuck? Maybe not. Alright, so. Did my ship blow up? Oh, it did. When I crashed into the damn cruiser. Let's come over here, shall we? That's pretty cool. It's kind of weird that I can see my ship down there. My positioning's all off. Because of where the cruiser was? What? Why does it say new message? But there's no actual message. That's weird. Yo. Guess that works. Jimmy Santori. How you doing, man? It's all good. I'm just working out some kinks, fixing some weird bugs. Strategy? What's my strategy? For some reason they're not spawning. Why can I continue to move? That's not cool. I should explode when I'm at... Just develop some rule here for the player. Do I have my destructible? So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my destructible here. Shift movement. I don't really have a thing. Oh, here we go. Nice. That's the plan. Nah. Supposed to spawn from my game sessions. Strategy power-up. Spawn from game sessions. Oh, you just put them somewhere and have them move. Exactly, yeah. I do that with everything that's in the game right now. Yeah. Mouse won't work, so nothing. Mouse won't work. Man, you gotta have backup mouse. Does it need batteries? Why can't it just pick that one? It's already highlighted. Why do I gotta press down for it to really highlight it and then I hit enter? Nice. Possibly. USB hubs are weird sometimes. What I'm doing may be wrong. There's game over. X is less negative. So. Destructible die. That ought to be better. That should automatically trigger game over. I think. Nope. Alright. Just game over then. Trying to fix a bunch of stuff right now, like if the player doesn't exist, how does everything else react? And so far I've had to make a lot of patches because things just rely on knowing where the player is and what he's doing, and shit breaks. Alright, nice. I can't really see that game over screen now. This isn't really so that visible. I don't like it. But I do want it to happen relatively quickly so you can press retry and get back into the game pretty fast. I don't want it to take forever. How's this looking big screen? Reminds me of you watching. Why is this such bad quality? What is this? label. The font size of 80. It's pretty good. Why does it look terrible? Maybe that font just doesn't scale well. No. I mean, it looks good. Why does it look so ugly? Why does this one look so good? It's also 80. Oh, disposable droid. BB. What is this one? Same font. Material. Scale. 0.2. Maybe because it's a smaller scale. Jeez. Alright, let's see. Does that make it look crisper? Is it just a low quality font? Yeah. Gonna have to find a better font. Ah, whatever. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. I need one that can scale. 200 fonts per page. I have options. 100% free. This one's not bad. Eh. Man, these are all starting to look the same. Except for this, it's kind of funny. Is this sorted by popularity or something? I think they're getting worse. Although this is not bad. F0 GBA text. I don't know if I want that. This isn't bad either, but it looks small. What does 8 pixel mean? Is that literally the height? It's literally 8 pixels high. Can I do something to like the font rendering so it doesn't anti-alias or something? Is that just something I could, rendering mode? I don't know, let's see. Font size, I don't know. Like, what is, does that do anything? What? One day you're gonna ask a question. That's already happened, man. Hasn't it? Let me just. So it still looks like shit. What is this, man? That's. Is there a setting for this somewhere? Anywhere. Give me a different material, maybe. No? What happened? Now the text is black. Oh, because it's set. UI material. Default UI material. Set it to sprite custom. Whoa. Okay, gotcha. I understand. Stencil ID. Nope, nope, nope. Should I remove this? Oops. What is that? Like shifty eyes? Let's see, Unity font, anti-aliasing, hinted raster font rendering is anti-alias smoothing in it. Use hinted raster in the inspector. Hinted raster in the inspector. Maybe. I don't necessarily see a difference. Oh, that's 8-bit Wonder, that's wrong. Font there. So I have OS default, hinted raster. Oh, perfect. Oh, it has like weird artifacts now. What is that? I mean, it's not bad, but it's like kind of broken. Especially when it's italicized. Hinted smooth. That's the same as that. And then regular smooth. Dynamic. Maybe I gotta lower this back to 16. That doesn't change a damn thing. Glyph bounding boxes. Alright, just changes the bounding box of the fonts a little bit. Use legacy bounds. I don't know. Should round advance value? No. Include font data. What font data? All font data, I guess. I mean, I like it better. I just don't like the broken artifacting here and there. And maybe that's just from the italic. See if I make it normal. It looks pretty damn normal. Yeah, why did I make it italic? Let's go ahead and do, yeah, why is everything italic? There we go. Alright, so that's a little better. Oh shit, now I gotta override this. Okay. Still can't read the damn thing. These buttons are like so small. I guess I could increase the size. Looks better. Alright, let's at least do that. Something like that. Can I move these guys down? And I could make these texts all bigger here. So 0.2, I'll do like 0.3. And I just gotta modify where they are. So these buttons gotta, can I center this? Nope. What is this? What? How do I do the move tool? M? No, I can't show you that. Just move them down. Man. Alright. So label. High score label. Come down a little bit. Go left a little bit. Value. Down a little bit. Shit. Value, go down. And I guess further apart. So I'm gonna grab high score, label value. Not too far apart. I might add other stats that I have yet to figure out. This is really the middle. Game over. Is that centered? Zero. Oh man, I just got like so obsessed with this for some reason. I'll figure something out later. Well, probably don't want to show it all the time, huh? All right. It's better looking. Need some menu music or something. Okay. There was a reason that I started testing this. What the hell was it? Oh, one thing is that I could do this and then say, see you later. And enemies just keep spawning. I don't really know what to do. They just keep spawning. They spawn at the camera limits. Oh man, they are not going to stop, are they? I have to strategically wipe them all out with this laser beam as soon as they all turn around. Shit. And it died. Did I die? What's that bird doing right there? Oh, those platforms are behind? Such a sweet pain in the ass. Yeah, that's a good description. Now all of a sudden these things are in the background? Like what causes that? What are like? It's on a platform's back sorting layer. This is a platform back. The cruiser itself, platforms back. The outside's platform's back. The inside's platform's back. Why is it not visible right now? Oh, I guess because everything's on platforms back. Okay, fine. Where are these carriers then? Also on platform back. I see. For some reason my replay button causes the score to not work and the game to slow down. Slow down. Maybe you're reinstantiating something on restart lots of times. I don't know. Platform front. Now I can see it in front. Okay, so its platform's back, but it's going to be an order in layer like 1000. It's going to be the carrier, right? Carrier 2, and carrier 1, whatever that is. Everything that's a carrier, actually. Okay. Now I can see them. Ah! Ah! This gun should be making noise. New game object? What is this? Oh, that's the laser. Explosions. These things aren't making noises? Or the explosions don't make a noise, it's the hits that make a noise. Okay, player. Which player is this? It's supposed to have a shoot sound. Right, here's a shooter. Or is it his guns that all have a shoot sound? Muzzle flash. No, it's his. Oh, there is no shoot sound. Okay. Forgot which one it was, but it sounded like a pellet. So let's see here. Shoot player 1? I don't think. No, that's the ship. Maybe it's a step. It was one of these. Maybe that one. I think it was this one. Maybe that one. I think it was this one. Something that's not being used for a footstep, that's for sure. Step 1, step metal 2. So I'm going to use step 2 for the shoot sound. Don't know how it got removed. Sounds terrible. Okay. Let's use step 1. This sounds right. Just pretty loud. That's whatever. Maybe I can make it a little quieter. Okay. So let's go to gun. Shoot sound. Oh, shoot sound from gun is shoot sound. So that's in bullet. Shoot sound from gun. Okay, so maybe don't play it at full volume. Play it like 1/3 volume. 1 divided by 3. 3, 1. Shit, slow ass Unity. Show me a thing on my mouse that says you're loading, please. Why is it louder? Oh, 3.3333. Stupid. 0. Ah, man. I'm losing it. There we go. Yeah, that's being. Let's just make it so you can hold this damn thing down. So tired of tapping this key. Yeah, I'm gonna make it so you can hold the button down. Just a lot of little quality of life improvements this game needs. So, guns, active gun. Where's like shoot? Shooter setup guns, control shoot, current ship shoot. Tapping E, why not use a controller? Yeah, I mean, that tapping. I want to make it so you can hold it. And if you hold it, it fires at a rate. But if you really want to break your finger, you can tap it as fast as you want. So technically, if you're tapping, you can shoot faster than holding it down. But you have to risk, wearing out your finger. I think that's an interesting trade-off. It's probably not that interesting, actually. It's just a trade-off. Control shoot, current ship shoot, can hold shoot timer. I have it built in here. Control shoot hold. Oh, that's for a ship though. Hold shoot timer. Hold shoot timer. Can I just add that to the main ship? Where's player ship at? Oh, this is the other player ship. There's the new player ship. So, can hold shoot. There we go. Let's see how that goes. All right. It's pretty damn fast. This camera shake is breaking my camera. But it feels better than... Oh man, I also did some stuff where... Let's see if I have these. If I have the new bullet. I don't, but I want to get it because it's way cooler looking. Where's my folder with all my files? That's not it. That's for the website. Super Sky Hero website coming soon. We're working on it. Okay. There it is. All right, let me copy these guys over. So one of these is a bullet, one of these is a flash. Wait, what's in test new? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Bullet test new, bullet player ship. Ah. Get all this stuff. Should add this instead. Seems like it could be cooler. Alright, let's see. Let's get some badass bullets here. Alright, so let's go to the player ship. And it has guns. Lots of guns. And they all shoot bullet player ship 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. Player ship 2. Normal white. That's a lame bullet. Okay, maybe I can just, oops. Oh man, this one? Yeah. And that has a muzzle flash, right? Do I have to create a muzzle flash player? Muzzle flash player ship. And this one's not gonna have an animation. Wait, is it? It's an explosion. I guess it does need to have muzzle flash player. There's ships. Is player ship in here? Player ship. Create animation. Animation. Muzzle flash. Player ship. Animation. What's going on in this chat? So let me go to bullet 2. Change out, no, muzzle flash player ship. Should be this animation. And this animation controller has one initial state that's a flash player ship. That's all it is. Same speed. Couldn't one use the same, having the weapons arrayed, with guns and arrays, having the weapons arrayed, couldn't one use the same method to change weapons? Like my pickup would be photon cannon instead of basic laser. Couldn't one use the same method to change weapons? Yes. Yeah. I mean, you could just have them all be attached to the ship, and then the power-up pickup would just disable one and enable another. Do it that way. Or you can just have them both activated at the same time. Or if you had all of them, and then you could have a button to like cycle through all of them. If they're all in an array, you could do that. Muzzle flash player ship. Animation. All I want to do is set the sprite to something specific on the first frame, not have a last frame. 12 does this. It has explosion, it needs a sprite. Not sure what I called it. Flash. Bullet player should be flash. Yeah, that one. And it is set here. And then an event to call explosion done. Okay. Then I can go to bullet. No, the guns on the player's ship. Components that are only on some of the selected, oh, cockpit. Laser flash, muzzle flash. Doesn't want to show up, alright. Player ship, that one. Bullet player ship 2, that one. And we'll get to see what the new bullets look like. Not bad. Are they going a little slow? I feel like they're going slow. These bullets need to go faster. Move speed 5, how about 10? These things should really be flying, right? There we go. I'm killing the game. What's happening here? What is happening when I move up and down that the frame rate drops significantly? And it doesn't happen every time. Oh, it does. What the hell? You see that, right? It's not just, I mean, I see the frame rate going from, you know, 190 to 40. And actually, once I reach the top, it doesn't do it anymore. Something about me moving just starts killing the frame rate. What if I move back and forth? No, it doesn't do anything. It's only up and down. Suddenly the game does 5 times as much work when I'm flying the ship up and down. Does it have anything to do with setting the, let me see. I'm going to run a test here. Ship up sprite, set up sprite. So I'm going to have to implement a debug key here. Debug. set up and down sprites equals false. Turn off up and down sprites. If input.get key down, I don't know. Is there alt here? Code.alt. Left alt? Nice. And no, I can't do that. Okay. Okay, how about get key left alt and input.get key down. That's a good one. M, N, B, B. Then debug, turn off open dot sprites. If not, if debug sprites turn. Oh, it doesn't equal true, it equals it's not self. Like that. Down sprites, set down sprites, set normal sprite, which doesn't do anything. I mean, I don't think that's what it is. It's something else. Something else is killing the game. When I go up and down specifically, what in the hell? So let's see. Debug. That didn't do anything. Oh, it worked. So it wasn't that. Yeah. So anytime I'm holding down the up or down, the frame rate dies. And it has nothing to do with setting the sprites, so I can get rid of this debug thing. Could be an animation. Just get rid of that. Let's see the player. Control move up. All it does is this. Desired move plus equals this. Control move down. Desired move plus equals this. And it calls this method. I mean, if nothing happened, would it still do it? Is something else triggering on W and S keys? Something else. So it could be like not even game related. Alright, so if I'm not moving, it's not affected. Yeah. Pressing W and D. So let's say that it does this, but not move. Sets the sprites. Up, down, up, down. Still same frame rate, and now let's do just up. This is... And there it is. The death of my frame rate. I'll upload the rep to YouTube. Oh man. So what the hell is going on? Desired move dot magnitude is greater than move speed. Is it this stuff? Like keeping it in check? I don't think so. Nothing else is really happening. You know what? I'm just gonna comment out this whole thing. still move up and down, just won't clamp it. Nope, that didn't do it. What the hell? Is this just like something wrong with Unity? And if I restart Unity, huh. Yeah, they're just literally, I don't know what was happening, but it doesn't do it anymore. What the hell, Unity? Maybe I can make this button, this sound better. I don't think anybody wants to hear that annoying. Yeah, man, did you see that? Man. Just restart Unity and the problem fixes itself. It's like magic. There's something I was gonna do. Oh yeah, so I gotta get this the shoot sound on these guns. Is this where the shoot sound is? It is. Alright. So I'm gonna go with, they have different shoot sounds? Oh, this one has none. Some of them have none. Oh, right. So that they don't overpower each other. Alright, so this one, and that one. Only the ones that have the one on there. So I'm gonna do the step sound, or maybe this one, or maybe this one. Sounds more like a machine gun now. Let's see what else we can do here. Sounds the same. Is anything actually changing? It's not. Sounds pretty good. Shoot dull. Oh, that sounds terrible. That's a little loud and annoying. I can have fun with this. Punch. The last one? so loud. Or the one before it. The machine gun one? Oh, this is kind of cool. It's still really loud. Before that. Okay, so you're probably thinking, just to confirm, this one. Nice pellet. Pellet sound. Cheesecake of hell. Yeah, I mean, it's subtle. It's not as like loud and annoying as like the pew 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 pew. Oh shit, can I still get in there? Oh, I can't reach it now. Oh, shit. I also gotta make it so my player here can hold down the shoot button as well. So let's do the exact same thing. Because you're shooting so many shots, it's not distracting. Yeah. Exactly. So this is more or less shooter, can hold shoot, control shoot, hold shoot timer. Pretty much 0.1 is what I'm saying. So I could do the same thing for out of ship. Update. Where's out of ship update? There it is. Where's shoot? Alright, so control hold shoot. Do that. Same thing. Oh, instead of current ship, just shoot, and that's it. And there we go. I think. Yep. Shit, that's fast. Accidentally added so much more action to this game. What is this thing still doing alive? Ah, God, it blew up my ship. Well, now I'm screwed. Man, how are you gonna share them? They're too big for Discord? What's Discord limit? Like 10 megs? If you take a screenshot of the image and send the screenshot, it's probably 8 megs. So I didn't really knock anything off the list. I just kind of gauged things that needed to be done. 6,000 by I can't even look at that. It's bigger than my monitor. I don't have a 4K monitor. Sorry, like 8K monitor. Robot missile shoot. I actually got here's that one. Enemy explodes, doesn't do anything. Various ships when they destructible destroy sound. What's ship explode? I gotta listen to these sounds before I do this. Ah, that's the one I wanted. Yeah, no Julio today. Yeah, man, I hit him up, but I guess he's probably in a meeting. So they say. There we go. Now every ship I blow up is gonna explode with some crazy noise. Let's turn these guys back on. Test that theory. This feels like such a different game now with just this little change. I'm gonna have to redesign a lot of the levels now. Yeah, he's been pretty damn busy. English language. Is it the... Oh, no way. Getting later and later.
I'm here to catch. Yeah, I'm slowly fading out of the show.
Yeah.
There'll be one time where I just like you'll be like, oh, Julio's coming in, and then right when you answer, I hang up.
Yeah. We got a new guy, Jimmy Santori. He's been dying to meet you.
Santori! Hello, how you doing? I am the ethereal voice that is Julio. I am the one that dwells behind the guy.
I could just move my mouth without making noise and then pretend you're talking.
I am now using Justin as a vessel. I hereby take my claim to this mortal realm. So what's been going on? How's this been happening? Hanging? Slanging.
Just been making like little tiny touch-ups, like you can now just hold down the shoot button and it shoots forever. I changed the way the bullets look, the way the bullets sound, so it's less annoying and looks cooler.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I already had all that artwork when I was remaking this game. I actually have an entirely new set of player sprites, but it's missing a few animations, so I don't actually want to use it.
Oh. Didn't you make those sprites?
I made all the current player sprites, and I made the new player sprites.
Right. So.
But I didn't make all the various animations with the new sprites, so I don't want to use the new sprites.
Oh. Okay. Could make the animations.
I could make the animations, but man, that seems...
I know what it seems like.
It just seems.
It's work. It's sure. It's just a lot of testing, especially pixel art. Most people think pixel art is easier. A lot of times it's harder. So limited in what you can show.
For sure. What is this? GIF bullet speed test? Oh yeah. That is something I was doing a long time ago. Screenshot? Oh, that's old.
I'm actually really excited for Matrix.
It's almost 3 weeks away.
Weird. Yeah.
Yeah. Really good stuff. Run point up, run point down, run hard land.
Damn, I thought you were starting to spit some bars. That's pretty cool.
What?
It sounded like you started rapping.
Run point up, run point down.
Yeah, you're run point up, run point down. Oh shit.
I'm just reading off animations. Uh,
What grades do?
Man, I had a 10 frame run animation? Yeah. None of that power 2 nonsense. Alright. that did.
Apes together strong. I saw that movie.
Yeah, I mean, we're coming to the close, you want to make the animations. Make the animations. Just for comparison. Just for comparison. Here comes.
Must compare. You must contrast.
It's a player.
Only then you may relax.
The hell's player laser? Apparently nothing.
You know.
Player fall, player new. Okay, so I do have player new here. I love some of these little frames of these animations. Hold on, let me find like a regular stand shot, standing point up, standing point down, stand. Alright, so there's the new one. Alright, so let's compare it to the old one. Where is he? Just regular standing. Oh, you have a wall jump? I was working on a wall jump, I guess. No, that's stand shot.
Oh, shit.
Alright, so you can kind of tell me. I made this one originally, and then I made the other one a few years later. So this is the original little guy, and this is the new guy. He also doesn't have a jetpack. I just realized. The new one doesn't.
I know I made the attempt at the mobile version one.
Oh yeah, then there's the one that you made.
That one's a different resolution though.
That one was totally different. You had a whole different style and everything.
Yeah.
Let me find that one.
Yeah, it would have been really cool though. What we were planning, the boxcar scenes would have been awesome.
Where is it? iPhone, shoot 'em up, super shoot 'em up.
Shoot 'em up.
Shoot 'em up, shoot 'em up.
Shoot 'em up.
Run point up, run point down.
He's back. And then you just start, all your lyrics are code related.
Where are they? Where are the... Are they in here? No. Where are... Ah, here. Okay, so here, Sky Hero. New concept. Oh man. Level design, level 1. Sky map. Alright, this is yours. Assets. Oh man, all the train car stuff.
I developed a whole system for making pixel art on that one that I'm kind of using now, actually.
Player fall. So you never really created like a player like standing around doing anything. You just made him like falling from the sky. Because that was kind of the first thing that happened.
Animation-wise, yeah.
So that's him like falling and diving. Oh, you can't see it. Let me share my screen.
Oh, yeah. Well, there was one of him standing. There's no animations, is there?
Oh, you did have it. It's in the boxcar picture or whatever. Hold on.
Yeah, I actually liked how that style was.
There it is. So that was like the new version of the ship.
The new and improved Ghostbusters.
The guy.
Yeah, the gun was like
All
intense
skinny
looking.
legs. Pretty funny. The gun, oh yeah, like it was pretty. It was like a cannon looking thing. So that's that. But just for comparison, this is the guy current, and this is the guy that I remade. I like it a lot better. It's just
He has more flair.
he does. He's got the jacket, the the collar popped up. He doesn't have a rocket pack though.
This is James Dean with a gun.
You know what? He doesn't have a name. The character does not have a name. Although James Dean's not bad.
I mean, that's up to you. I mean, make it Dean James.
Dean James. Dean Jameson.
He runs a college.
Oh man. So there's been tons of work put in here and there into this game over the years, on and off. It was gonna happen, it wasn't gonna happen. Many times. So we'll see. At some point I gotta call this done. I mean this game, but also the stream is pretty much done. At some point I gotta call the game done for what it is, and then if there's interest, I'll continue to work on it and make it bigger and better. Perhaps. You guys take it easy. Jimmy, nice to meet you, bro.
Pleasure. I'm actually also Jimmy in a different browser. It was me all along.